Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss very important topic is Neet Biology MCQs 2025 part 2nd. The powerhouse of the cell is correct option is B, mitochondria. Which of the following is a symbiotic nitrogen fixer? Correct option is A, rhizobium. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from early technologist. An example of XC2 conservation is correct option is B, botanical garden. Hemophilia is an example of, so the correct option is C, sex-linked recessive disorder. Which of the following is called the suicidal bag of cell? Correct option is B, lysosome. The heart of a frog has correct option is B, 3 chambers. Transportation is the least in correct option is C, humid day. Which ecosystem has the highest productivity? Correct option is D, coral reef. The most considerable cell in the human body is correct option is C, ovum. The protein code of the virus is called correct option is A, capsid. In a human female, ovulation occurs due to the surge of correct option is B, LH, luteinizing hormone. Which among the following is not a sexual transmitted disease? Correct option is D, malaria. Root pressure is maximum drug during correct option is B, night. Which hormone regulates calcium levels in the blood? Correct option is C, parathormone. The plant hormone responsible for cell elongation is correct option is B, auxin. The genetic material in most of the living organism is correct option is B, DNA. Which phase of meiosis is responsible for the formation of chiasmata? Correct option is C, diplotin. Glycolysis occurs in correct option is A, cytoplasm. Ligament connects correct option is A, bone to bone. The first artificial gene was synthesized by correct option is A, Hargobin Horana. Which of the following cells in humans do not have a nucleus? Correct option is B. Red blood cells. Thank you for watching my videos.